In front of me is Honor 20 Lite, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then locate and click on apps, and here select the first tab, which is apps. Wait a couple of seconds. Now tap on more icon, which is 3 dots 1 in the right upper corner, and select reset app preferences if you truly want to perform this action. And then if you really want to remove all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default application for actions, background data restriction for apps, and all permission restrictions, just mark reset. And that's it. You've just reset app preferences. Congrats. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.